Finger drumming has got really popular recently, and this masterclass can be the start of your journey. I'll start by teaching you how to set up your MIDI drum rack, choose your drums, and chop up samples. So we're gonna just make sure all of our hi-hats are in another choke group. I'll cover how to start and record a beat into Ableton and expand your idea and arrangement and effects to make a full track. What I would like to do is add reverb onto the hats. I will show you my live setup. You'll learn how to use Maschine macros and perform effects to automate transitions and create a seamless performance experience. So if this is doing the low pass filter, I can have a high pass filter here.
It's me. Gnarly music.
Join me in my studio. I'll show you how you can switch up your live sets with finger drumming. Get creative, find your flow, and make crazy beats.